In a world where traditional education often feels rigid and uninspiring, the advent of AI-powered gamified learning applications is a breath of fresh air. Imagine a classroom where students no longer dread the prospect of learning. Instead, they eagerly anticipate the next challenge, the next level, the next opportunity to engage with knowledge in a way that feels less like work and more like play. The fusion of artificial intelligence and gamification is transforming how we perceive education, making it more interactive, personalized, and, most importantly, enjoyable. At the heart of this revolution lies the concept of gamification, which incorporates game-like elements into non-game contexts to enhance user engagement and motivation. Think about the last time you played a video game. The thrill of leveling up, unlocking achievements, and competing against friends creates an environment where learning feels instinctive rather than forced. AI takes this concept and amplifies it, tailoring the experience to each individual learner's needs, preferences, and pace. Imagine a student struggling with math concepts. In a traditional setting, they might feel lost, overwhelmed by the pace of the curriculum. However, in a gamified learning app powered by AI, the experience is radically different. The AI analyzes the student's strengths and weaknesses in real time, adjusting the difficulty of problems based on their performance. If the student excels in basic addition but struggles with multiplication, the AI can create a series of engaging mini-games focused on multiplication that gradually increase in complexity. This personalized approach not only helps the student master the material, but also keeps them motivated through the thrill of progression and achievement. Furthermore, AI can introduce narrative elements into the learning experience. Picture a scenario where students embark on an epic quest in a fantasy world, where each math problem they solve unlocks a new chapter of the story. As they navigate through enchanted forests or battle mythical creatures, they learn not just to solve equations, but to apply critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The narrative context adds depth to the learning experience, making it memorable and meaningful. Collaboration is another critical aspect of gamified learning apps. AI can facilitate cooperative learning by creating team-based challenges where students work together to solve problems or complete tasks. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also allows students to learn from each other, sharing strategies and insights that enrich the learning process. Imagine a group of students, each with their unique strengths, coming together to tackle a complex science project in a virtual environment. The AI can assign roles based on their skills, ensuring that everyone contributes and learns from the experience. Feedback is vital in any learning process, and AI excels in providing immediate, constructive feedback. Traditional assessments often come with a delay, leaving students uncertain about their performance until grades are posted. In contrast, a gamified app can offer instant feedback after each challenge, allowing students to understand their mistakes and learn from them in real time. This immediacy not only reinforces learning, but also reduces the anxiety associated with waiting for results. Moreover, the competitive element of gamification taps into our natural desire for achievement. Leaderboards, badges, and reward systems can motivate students to push their boundaries and strive for excellence. However, it's essential that these elements are designed thoughtfully. The focus should not be solely on competition, but rather on personal growth and improvement. AI can help balance this by allowing students to set personal goals and track their progress, encouraging them to compete against their past selves rather than just against their peers. One of the most compelling aspects of AI in gamified learning is its ability to adapt to diverse learning styles. Every student is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. AI can analyze a learner's interactions within the app, identifying patterns that indicate their preferred learning style, whether they are visual learners who benefit from graphics and videos, auditory learners who thrive on spoken explanations, or kinesthetic learners who need hands-on activities. By tailoring content to these styles, AI ensures that each student receives an experience that resonates with them, increasing their chances of success. The accessibility of gamified learning apps powered by AI also opens doors for students who may have previously felt excluded from traditional educational settings. Students with learning disabilities, for instance, can benefit from customized pacing and alternative methods of engagement that traditional classrooms may struggle to provide. AI can recognize when a student is frustrated or disengaged, adjusting the content or approach to reignite their interest and enthusiasm for learning. As we look to the future, the potential for AI-powered gamified learning apps seems limitless. The integration of virtual and augmented reality could take the experience to new heights, immersing students in environments where they can explore historical events, conduct virtual science experiments, or even learn a new language through interactive conversations with AI-generated characters. The possibilities for creativity and innovation are boundless, promising an educational landscape that is as dynamic as it is effective. However, as we embrace this technological revolution, we must also remain mindful of the challenges it presents. Issues of screen time, data privacy, and the need for a balanced approach to learning must be addressed. Educators, parents, and developers must work collaboratively to create frameworks that ensure these tools enhance learning without overwhelming students. AI-powered gamified learning applications represent a paradigm shift in education, where learning becomes an adventure rather than a chore. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, we can create engaging, personalized, and inclusive learning experiences that inspire curiosity and foster a love for knowledge. In this new age of education, the classroom is no longer confined to four walls. It is a vibrant, interactive world where every student has the opportunity to thrive.